Use this gigantic garlic press to make these delicious potatoes dumplings. I am going to use 2.5 kilograms of Irish potatoes. I will need 1 egg and flour. Peel the potatoes, cut them in half, and rinse under cold water. I will cook them according to instructions, so for about 20 to 25 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook the potatoes until they are soft, around 20 to 25 minutes. Drain them when they are cooked and leave them to cool slightly. Use this gigantic garlic press to mash the potatoes when they are warm. Don't let them fully cool. Mash all the potatoes and spread them evenly across the tray. Divide the mash into 4 equal parts. Take 1 part on site to fill in with flour. Crack 1 egg to add flavor. Mix all the ingredients, then using your hands, bring the dough together. When finished, grab a handful of dough and form into a little ball shape. Make a hole in the middle of dumplings for our delicious gravy. Bring water to boil, add teaspoon of salt, and put the dumplings into the pot. Put the cooker on low heat and wait until the dumplings float to the surface. Cook for another 2 to 3 min, but don't bring water to boil again. Here you go, they are ready to serve, with our delicious gravy made of beef dice.